My name's Rebecca, and I got an implant that was under a root canal and a tooth extraction. Back in college, I got a root canal done, I think in the Seattle area, and over time, I started to get tooth pain, and my husband happened to be out of town. I was home with the kids, and he was at a conference, and I just called him one day, and I was like, it's like the same tooth pain that I had when I had to get the root canal. It really hurts. I can feel exactly what tooth it is. And my husband's an orthodontist, a local orthodontist. And so he could kind of diagnose-ish what was going on. And he just knows Dr. Dhaliwal from, referring patients and vice versa. And so he said, I'm gonna call him up and we'll see what we can do. And I got in, and sure enough, I needed that tooth extracted.
Rebecca is a really amazing patient. She came to see us because she had a tooth that had fractured and wasn't usable, and she's someone who's really impeccable with her dental care and is very well put together, so it's kind of devastating to lose a tooth. She also had understood, because her husband was a healthcare provider, that implants typically, especially for molars, take maybe a year. You gotta take out the tooth, you gotta bone graft it, then you put the implant, then you have to let it heal. But for Rebecca, we actually were able to take out the tooth, put in the implant the same day, do the bone graft in the same day, and she had her tooth, very shortly after surgery.
The first time I came in, my instant reaction was everyone was very professional and very friendly, which put me at ease having to get a tooth extracted. I wanted somewhere where I'd feel at home and people would treat me with respect. Dr. Dhaliwal did a great job about putting me at ease, explaining that, it's one tooth and it's much better than being in the pain, and just how secure the implant would be. It just made me feel a lot better than not knowing any of that information. I'd like to thank Dr. Dhaliwal and his staff for just making me more confident, putting me out of pain. They're extremely professional. They do put you at ease, and I think step by step they just really, they make you feel comfortable with what's gonna happen to you. I mean, it's your body, and you don't want to be scared about things that are going to happen to you, especially, tooth extraction or anything like that. So Adara would be a safe place to go to kind of fix things like a tooth extraction or to get a facelift. And I think it's important to love your smile and feel confident in your smile.